is it? Who is it?
Rachel.
Are you recording it?
Yeah. Those little faces she makes in between is pretty funny. Oh, honey. Oh, bless you.
That make the hiccups go away?
Look at her playing to the camera. Well done, sister.
Oh, she's talking about the hiccups.
Oh, it's hard, huh? Oh, yeah.
Hey. Hey. You think she needs to burp?
I don't think it'll work on because she just has to calm down.
Is it good that she...
Keeps your head turned like that all the
Yeah.
time? Well, she's the one that wants to look around.
Never says I'm gonna look over here.
Well, she does sometimes, and then I turn the cradle.
No, really?
Yeah. So I can see her. Rachel got a movie of you snoring yesterday.
Yeah, I know. She told me today.
It's pretty funny. Between you and her, she gets a little cranky.
You little bugger.
She got her hand out again?
Yes. Okay. Work with me here. Work with
The
me.
swaddling king has
Yeah.
met his match.
Oh, calm down.
So don't like that. I would like to have my hands outside of the blanket.
Hello? Hey.